If you talk to someone who's never watched flag football, you show them a game, they're like, oh wow, I didn't know that y'all could ball like that.
I'm competitive. Doesn't matter who is in front of you. Just be one step ahead.
You look at the biggest rivalry in flag football. Team USA, Team Mexico.
The biggest competition flag football has been part of. The stakes are bigger than ever.
Let's go!
Good competition is going to make people want to watch.
The moment we're living right now, we have the opportunity to shape how we want the world to see us.